Are you inundated with yarn, project remnants, discount bin bargains, the gifted, the thrifted, and a stash of other odds and ends of unknown origins? This series aims to bust that stash with quick, simple tutorials that use only small amounts of yarn. Welcome to the Scrap Stash. Hey everyone, welcome to Skein Spider and to another pattern in the Halloween series. Today's pattern is going to be a black cat on a broom with a witch's hat. So grab your hooks and let's get started. To make this pattern, you're going to need a 3mm hook, scissors, stitch markers, a needle, pins, stuffing, and 8-ply yarn in a colour or colours of your choice. For the cat's head, we're going to begin by putting 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 4 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and then a pattern repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 5 times. Finish off the round with 1 single crochet. Rounds 5 through to 8 are 24 single crochet. Round 9 begins with 6 single crochet and then a pattern repeat of 1 single crochet, 1 increase done 6 times. Finish off with 6 single crochet. At the end of round 9 you should have 30 stitches in your round, and rounds 10 and 11 are just going to be 30 single crochet. Round 12 is 3 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. Round 13 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 decrease done 5 times. Finish off with 1 single crochet. After round 13, secure your end and begin stuffing the head. And when you've done that, we're going to continue with round 14, which is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. And round 15, which is our final round, is just going to be 6 decreases. Finish off and weave in your end. For the body, begin by putting 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 4 is 1 single crochet followed by an increase and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times, finishing off with 1 single crochet. Round 5 is 3 single crochet and an increase repeated 6 times. Rounds 6 through to 8 are going to be 30 single crochet. Round 9 is 8 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Rounds 10 and 11 are 27 single crochet. Round 12 is 7 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Rounds 13 and 14 are 24 single crochet. Round 15 is 6 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Round 16 is 21 single crochet. And round 17, our final round, is just 5 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Leave a tail for sewing and then stuff the body. The legs begin with 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 single crochet. Round 3 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase. At the end of round 3 you should have 7 stitches in your round, and rounds 4 and 5 are just 7 single crochet. Round 6 is 6 single crochet followed by an increase, and then rounds 7 through to 10 are just 8 single crochet. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. You can stuff the legs very lightly if you like, but not really necessary. The ears also begin with 4 single crochet in a magic circle. Then round 2 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 3 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. And our last round, round 4, is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. To make the tail, we're going to begin by putting 4 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 3 single crochet and an increase. Rounds 3 through to 6 are just 5 single crochet. Round 7 is 4 single crochet, 1 increase. Rounds 8 through to 13 are 6 single crochet. Round 14 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase. Rounds 15 and 16 are 7 single crochet. Round 17 is 6 single crochet, 1 increase, and then rounds 18 and 19, which are our last rounds, are just 8 single crochet. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. The eyes are just 1 round, and what we're going to do is make a magic circle, and then into the magic circle you're going to crochet 1 single crochet, then 1 double crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 1 single crochet. And that's all you have to do for the eyes. Nice and simple. For the witch's hat, you're going to need 2 colours of yarn. You can use whatever colour you like. I'm going to be using purple and orange, and you're going to begin in the main colour with 4 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase. Rounds 3 and 4 are 5 single crochet. Round 5 is 4 single crochet and an increase. Round 6 and 7 are 6 single crochet. Round 8 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 9 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 10 is 4 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 11 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. At the end of round 11 you should have 14 stitches in your round, and round 12 is just going to be 14 single crochet. Round 13 is 6 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 14 is 16 single crochet. Round 15 is 7 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 15 is 7 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 16 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 17 is 6 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 18 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. At the end of round 18, change colour to whichever other colour you're using. And then round 19 in your new colour is just going to be 30 single crochet. At the end of round 19, we're going to change colours back to the original colour that we were using. So in my case, that's purple. And then round 20 is going to be worked into the front loop only, and we're going to do 2 single crochet followed by an increase, and then a pattern repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times, finishing off with 2 single crochet, all worked entirely into the front loop. Round 21 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times, and then round 22, our final round, is 3 single crochet, 1 increase, and then 6 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times, finishing off with 3 single crochet. To make the broom, you're going to need 2 different shades of brown, a lighter shade and a darker shade. We're going to begin with the lighter shade and put 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 3 is going to be worked entirely into the back loops. So for 8 single crochet, work into the back loops only. Rounds 4 all the way through to 30 are just going to be 8 single crochet. You can adjust these rounds to make the broom longer or shorter. That's entirely up to you, but the rest of the pattern will remain the same no matter how many rounds of 8 single crochet that you do. At the end of round 30, or whatever round you're up to, if you wanted to make the broom longer, we're going to change colour to the darker brown. And then round 31 is going to be worked into the front loops. So do 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 4 times, entirely in the front loops. Round 32 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Rounds 33, 34 and 35 are 18 single crochet. Round 36 is 4 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Round 37 is 15 single crochet. Round 38 is 3 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Round 39 is 12 single crochet. Round 40 is 2 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Round 41 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. And round 42, our final round, is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated twice to bring us down to 4 stitches. Finish off and weave in your end. To assemble your witch's cat, you're going to first sew the body to the head. Once that's done, pin the legs to the front of the body and then sew those on too. After you've sewn the legs on at the top, you may want to sew the bottom of the legs to the body just so they don't stick out. Once that's done, we're going to sew on the tail. Place the tail at the bottom of the body and center it in the middle of the back. You're going to pin and sew that and then wrap the tail around until it passes in front of one of the legs on either side, doesn't matter. And then sew the end of the tail to the leg so it stays wrapped around. Obviously this is personal choice, so if you don't want to do that, don't worry about that, skip this step. And after that, we're going to sew on the eyes. Situate them on the head about 1 or 2 stitches apart and then sew those on. After the eyes, we're going to do the same thing for the ears. Place them on the side of the head, pin and sew. At this point you can add some details, so some whiskers, eyebrows, nose, mouth, whatever you'd like to add before you place the hat on, if you're sewing the hat on that is. The next 2 steps are going to be optional. We're going to sew the witch's hat to the cat's head. Again, you don't have to do this if you don't want to. Once that's done, so pin that in place and sew that on. I'm only sewing on the back half to keep it in place. And once that's done, we're going to sew the entire cat to the broom. So choose where along the broom handle you'd like your cat to sit, pin it in place, and then you're going to thread your needle with some black yarn, sew the cat on, and once that's done, you're all finished. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this pattern and tutorial. If you did, maybe like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow with yet another Halloween pattern.